So backtesting lets you know if your strategy worked in the past. Forward testing lets you know if you can actually trade it in the future. Forward testing is basically taking what you learned from backtesting and applying it in real time in the future to see if you actually know how to trade it. So I'm going to quickly go over why forward testing actually matters and why I think it's better than back testing. So due to the fact that you're waiting for setups in real time, you actually get to feel the emotions of being a trader. You get to deal with hesitation, FOMO, impatience, and all these things that actually need to be done for you to be a profitable trader. And you feel no emotion when you're back testing. You're simply just going over weeks and weeks and days of just data and numbers. So now I'm going to quickly tell you guys how to forward test correctly. So you're either going to want to use a paper trading account or a sim funded account or evaluation with a prop firm. So for paper trading, you can literally use TradingView and you will go up here where it says trade and then you hit paper trading. And now you don't have to risk a single dollar of your own, but you can still forward test your strategy. And for sim funded accounts, you can use platforms like TopStep, for example, to actually be able to forward test your strategy. And on TopStep, the key thing is you can actually make money doing so. Other than that, you guys want to make sure to take data just like when you're back testing. Figure out your entries, your stops, your targets, the consistency on the numbers so you can really see what works and see the patterns behind your data. But this time, you're doing it while trading in the future and not the past. Quick video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. And don't forget to join the Discord. Link in the description. All right, guys, have a blessed one. Peace.